Hello everyone, Ramadan Mubarak to all. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe. Stay at home and follow the guidelines from the health authorities. May Allah protect everyone from infectious diseases. Ameen. As the schools are closed, kids really miss going outside and enjoying. Hence, I plan to prepare my husband and my son's favorite pizza. My son helped me in preparing it. To start, washing hand is the best hygiene, but it should be done properly. In a bowl, take half a cup of warm water. Add teaspoon of yeast and 2 teaspoon of sugar. Give a mix and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take 2 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. One teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. And then add yeast water. Knead it properly. If it needed, add some more water and knead the dough. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And rest it for 1 hour. My son is really happy. Now for sauce, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 chopped onion. Two tablespoons of garlic, finely chopped. Give a mix and saute well. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix really well. And cover the lid for 5 minutes. Add salt as required. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Give a mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. It gives nice color. Mix well. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now it is perfectly cooked. Leave it for cool down completely. Then blend it and make a paste. Now back to the pizza dough. After 1 hour, take out the dough. Apply some oil on the tray. Place the dough on the tray and spread it. Spread it evenly. Prick with fork. Apply pizza sauce. And add shredded mozzarella cheese. Here I am using some capsicum, olives and onions. Add on top. Now place the pizza in preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pizza is completely cooked. Cut it and enjoy with your family. Man is very happy. He loves it. Do try it at home and send your feedbacks in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.